Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going thrifting finally. I've been needing to do a thrifting vlog for ages. I've just been busy, kind of. But no, I'm going today. I'm not looking for a certain aesthetic or anything. I'm just going to be thrifting for myself. If you're new here and you've never seen my face before, my style is kind of like alternative type. I do like Y2K and like, so I'll be looking for stuff for myself. But if you guys do want to see more thrifting challenges when I thrift for a certain aesthetic, I'll probably be doing them anyway. First, I need to get gas because my car is almost empty and it's really hot today, so I don't know how long I'll stay at the salvos for. But yeah. And then after the salvos, I'll probably get something to eat. And then I need to go food shopping. I have a big day. Like, that's a lot for me. But yeah, so transition to probably me at the thrift store. Yeah. Transition to the thrift store. Okay, so I just parked. I'm so glad I found a park because parking gives me anxiety. The salvos is like, like there. But yeah, I'm gonna go walk there in the heat and die, and I really hope I find some things because I haven't been thrifting in a long time and I do need some new clothes. Well, I don't really need new clothes. I just like to have new clothes, you know? But anyways, transition to me in the thrift store. Guys, I found this cute robin costume that would be like perfect for Halloween. I just wanted to show it. I am not gonna get it, but thought it was cute. Okay, then I had a look on this rack, which was like a mix of pajamas and swimsuits for some reason. First, I found this cute black swimsuit. I didn't think it would fit me, so I didn't bother trying it on. Next, I found this long sleeve corset top. It kind of reminded me of like something a princess would wear in medieval times, or like something Fiona would wear in Shrek. I don't know, is it just me? Next, I found this really pretty bodysuit. It wasn't swimsuit material, but it was cute, so I thought I'd try it on. I found this really cute dress and I thought it reminded me of Free People, so I checked the tag and I was freaking right. It's from Free People. I was so excited. I've never found a Free People piece like while thrifting, so I definitely had to try it on. Okay, now it was time to try on everything I found and see which pieces I wanted to keep. Okay, so these shorts were Levi's, but I don't like multiple buttons and I didn't think they fit me right, so I didn't want to get them. This dress was really pretty and it was definitely my style, but the only thing is it wouldn't zip up, so it didn't fit me, unfortunately. Okay, I absolutely loved this dress. It was so my style. I loved the asymmetrical hem and the crisscross at the back and the front sequins. Like, it was just perfect. Okay, I tried to
try this on, but it was too small, so I can't really show you it on, but yeah. Okay, these pants didn't even button up. They were way too small. I don't know why I chose them. I don't even like them, to be honest. This bodysuit was cute, but I felt like it washed me out and it didn't really suit me specifically. It fit nice, but yeah, I'm putting a thumbs up, but I changed my mind and I didn't really like it on me and I felt like I wouldn't wear it, so I didn't get it. Okay, this long sleeve top was cool, like very gothic witchy, but it had multiple holes and it was kind of itchy and it didn't fit right, so I didn't end up getting it. I liked this top, but it was too loose, too big for me. If it fit tighter, it would have been nice, but oh well. This top fit so perfect. Like, I know it's so basic, but I really, really liked it. So I definitely had to get it because I did want to get more basic tees. This top, like, it was nice, but it was just too big again. So I couldn't get it. But I really liked the buckle at the front. This lace overlay was really, really nice. I didn't know if I would wear it, but I got it because, I don't know, it's just really nice. And I feel like I could style it, like, with a swimsuit or something. This top was my favorite. It was so perfect. Like, it fit perfect. It looked nice. I loved the style, the everything. I love it. This was nice, but I didn't think I would wear it. Like, I don't really wear this color, and it fit too tight as well. This was a nice top. It reminded me of something like Rory Gilmore would wear, or Lorelai Gilmore if you watch Gilmore Girls, but it wasn't really my style. I really did like this top. It reminded me of like a Y2K clubbing top, but the sequins were pretty itchy, and I didn't think I'd wear it, so I didn't get it, but it was cute. I like the style of this top, but I really hate the pattern. I don't know, I would not wear this. This top was too similar to the other black top I got, so I didn't get it. Now it was time to look for bags. First I found this little mini cute bag. I would not use it, but I just wanted to show it. And then I found some cute shoulder bags and this purse with lots of eyelets, and then I found this. I didn't really like it, but yeah. I also found this cute silver backpack as well, and then I found this perfect Y2K shoulder bag. I don't know what brand it is, but I love the buckles on the like strap things as well, like, but I didn't end up getting it, and I really wish I did because I didn't think I'd use it because I have something similar. And I didn't really find anything else that I wanted, so it was time to look for shoes. First I found these cute boots, but they would be too big for me. Then I found Uggs, so I tried them on, but unfortunately they were just too small. They were cute, but yeah, too small. Okay guys, so I think that was successful. I didn't get much stuff, but I'm going to style them when I get home. The wind is annoying me. I might get a juice because I'm kind of craving fruit. Oh my gosh. But yeah. Okay guys, so I'm back in the car. I'm really sweaty. I got a mango juice. It's got other stuff too, but I always, if I'm getting a juice, it has to have mango in it. It's so good. Okay, so transition to me at home, showing you what I got and everything. Okay, so transition. Okay guys, I'm back home and now I'm going to show you what I got. Let me just fix that. It's really, really, really freaking hot, so you guys better love me for styling all of these because one of them is long sleeves. Okay, so the first thing that I got is just this plain black top, but it's really flattering on, and it is originally from, it doesn't have a tag, so I don't know where it's from, but I thought it was really flattering, and I've been meaning to buy some more black tops even though I have like a lot. And this was $4. Yes. I was contemplating getting this because I didn't know how to style it, but when I put it on I really liked it, but it is see-through, so I have to have something underneath, so maybe just like a long tank top or something. But it's this really cute overlay, lace overlay thing. I don't know, but we're gonna see how I can style it. I really don't know, but hopefully I can find something because I bought it. And this was $3. I actually really, really loved this even more when I put it on. This one has a tag, but it doesn't say where it's from, so anyway, so this was $5. It's really cute, and it has this like corset type thing, see-through thing, and it's like really flattering.
I really like it. I can't wait until the weather gets colder so I can wear it. Last but not least, okay, so when I saw this on the rack, I was like, oh, that's cute. And then I saw the bottom, and the bottom is asymmetrical. And I looked at it and I'm like, this looks like Free People. Does it not give off Free People, right? I'm like in my head, this might be Free People. So I looked at the tag, like I didn't expect it, I just was guessing, and it is Free People. Oh my gosh, so I had to get it. I don't know what to wear on the bottom because it's kind of short. Maybe fishnets? I don't know. I like the detailing here as well. And the back has like a crisscross situation going on, but yeah. Okay, ready for the transition? Okay guys, so I decided to pair it with my low-waisted flared jeans that I thrifted a while ago. I love them so much. But I feel like this would go with anything because it's just a black top. I decided to pair it with my chain necklace. And yeah, I'll show you guys a full body in the mirror. That is my pants drawer. Ignore that. I can't close the cupboard because of that. So I'm gonna have to show it over here. I've got my flared jeans with my belt to match my bracelet. And I really love the top. It's really flattering, and yeah. That is outfit number 1. Now on to outfit number 2. Okay, why was this so hard to freaking style? I don't know why it was really, really hard to style. And then I actually saw the tag, and it's actually from Bras and Things, which is like bras and lingerie and stuff. So this must be like kind of lingerie. It's literally got hooks here that are like hooks on a bra. So I wanted to do a tank top underneath. I tried a black one, but that looked so bad with like the really white sheer. And I found a white skirt. So this is like not my style whatsoever. So I feel kind of uncomfy in it, but I'm going to show you guys anyway because this is literally the only outfit I could find to go with this. I don't regret buying it because I might, I don't know, you know, I mean, because you never know, I might get used to this type of style. Anyways, let me show you the full outfit. Okay, so I don't know about the silhouette. This is the only white skirt I have. It was for my corpse bride costume that I wore with the white corset. And the tank top, I only have, like, this is the only colored tank top I have. And it's like a bluey purple. I don't even know what it is. But yeah, I don't know how I feel about it. What do you guys think? Like, would you wear this or not? I feel very out of my comfort zone, that's for sure. But I feel like the pearls tight together, right? But yeah, it's cute, kinda, I think. I don't know. Okay, this is outfit 2, on to 3. Okay guys, so I decided to pair it with like one of my favorite skirts, but then while I was putting it on, it freaking broke. Of course, it has broken before and I got it fixed, but I don't know if I can fix it again. It's just like the little hook thing that hooks the zippers together broke off, and it's really hard to zip up, so I have to like yank it and it broke. Which is sad because it's one of my favorite skirts. It's so cute. It's a skirt. It has shorts underneath. But I really love this outfit. Let me show you. Okay, so this is outfit number 3. I really, really love the top. It's so like elegant and sophisticated, but also like, you know, sexy. I love it. Ignore that. But yeah, that's outfit 3, and now we're on to outfit 4. Last and final outfit. Okay, so last outfit, it's basically just the dress, but I added shorts underneath. These are shorts that I have thrifted. They have little buttons, which is cute, and I put fishnets on as well. And that's the back. I'll show you guys the full outfit. So this is the last outfit. I think it's really cute. It's like my style, but it's also like bohemian, you know, it's like bohemian alternative. Bohemian, yeah. It's like alternative boho. I love the asymmetrical hem, and I love the detailing here. It's really cute. That is the final outfit. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you want more thrifting vlogs. I'll probably do them anyway. If you want me to thrift for a specific aesthetic, then let me know. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment down below what videos you want me to do. I hope you guys enjoyed the outfits I styled it with, because like it was really hard to put all those clothes on in this heat. But anyways, I hope you guys have a good week, and I hope to post next week. I want to start posting every week, hopefully. Don't hold me to that, but I'm going to start trying. Okay, bye!